How do you fabric weld tactical gear for repairs? Imagine fixing your tactical gear so it feels like new without sewing or glues. Fabric welding is a powerful way to do that, especially for gear that needs to stay waterproof and tough. First, you need to know what material you're working with. Most tactical gear is made from coated nylon or polyester fabrics that have thermoplastic layers. These layers melt and fuse when heated, making fabric welding perfect for repairs. Before starting, clean the damaged area thoroughly. Remove dirt, oils, and any debris that could weaken the weld. Trim any frayed edges so the surfaces are smooth and ready to bond. This helps create a stronger, cleaner weld. Next, pick your welding method. The most common are hot air welding, hot wedge welding, radio frequency welding, and ultrasonic welding. Hot air welding uses a heated stream of air and pressure, which is great for seams and patches. Hot wedge welding employs a heated metal wedge to melt the fabric along straight lines, perfect for edges. Radio frequency welding uses electromagnetic energy to heat and bond the fabric, creating airtight and waterproof seals. Ultrasonic welding applies high-frequency vibrations to generate friction heat, bonding fabrics at a molecular level, but it's more common in manufacturing than field repairs. Adjust the temperature, pressure, and speed based on the fabric's thickness. Too much heat can burn or weaken the fabric, while too little won't bond properly. Practice on scrap pieces first to get a feel for the settings. Secure the fabric in place with clamps or fixtures to prevent movement during welding. Then, apply heat and pressure along the damaged seam or patch area. Overlap patches enough to cover the damaged zone completely, ensuring a solid bond. Once the weld is complete, let it cool under pressure. This helps the bond set properly. Check the seam for uniformity, strength, and make sure there are no gaps or bubbles. For best results, use welding equipment designed for fabric repairs. Portable hot air welders are handy for fieldwork. Practice on scrap fabric first to avoid damaging your valuable gear. When welding patches, choose materials compatible with your gear for a seamless bond. Always wear protective gear and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid fumes. Fabric welding creates a much stronger, more durable repair than glues or stitches. It keeps your gear waterproof, airtight, and ready for tough conditions. This method is a smart choice for DIY repairs, extending your gear's life and keeping it performing at its best.